Hey DJ!
Hey!
There's my friend DJ Samuel and his cousin
Felix.
Felix. Felix the cat. Me bonita esposa. And me. Out sailing today to have some fun with the guys, as you do.
Oh yeah.
What else would you be doing on a weekend in Paridise?
DJs the Mujeres.
Yeah. Capitan. Time to spin.
Spin Randy? What you gonna do? Oh, you're gonna. Oh yeah. Okay.
We're gonna head back and
You're gonna tap.
jump in the water.
Yeah.
So what I need to do?
Whoa! Can you see those skills, Felix? Oh yeah. Damn. Watch both hands. Captain DJ Goose.
I know. That's a good one.
Jump up and down, look that.
Okay, Felix?
What you don't slash in the face.
Be careful.
Right.
Nice.
Oh, I love that sound.
Oh yeah. Selling type music.
Wow, nice work.
Oh shit. What happened? Oh yeah, he's tapped in. Hold on. That's fine. Just hold on. Tight.
Hold on, Felix. Hold on. Last night I dreamt of San Pedro.
Under the drum. Let's get it. Yay, all right.
Whoa! Nice work.
La isla bonita. The sun will set so high, so my ears is in my eyes, the Spanish lullaby.
That was gay.
See what I mean? It takes two people really to sail this thing. One to hold it for the wind and one to do the deckhand stuff. Sometimes when it catches, no, you shouldn't. Sometimes shit happens on a sailboat you have to do.
I prayed that the days would last, they went so fast. Tropical island breeze, all
That was fun.
Yeah. All in a day at being at the office.
I love this part.
Yeah.
Love it.
Okay. Una, dos, tres, brinca! Hey guys. Strapped about all the so I don't lose that.
and the sunlight falling down.
Hey.
Like the wind, I breathe you in.
Welcome to the office. What are you guys doing this weekend?
In you.
If we didn't invite you this perfect day, what would you be doing? That wasn't a real fart, by the way, that was me. We're back, all docked up now. Look at that view, man. Sunset time. So I think it's time for a bottle of champagne. We got one on ready. Forgive me sweating, I've been swimming and sweating my ass off. It takes a lot of work to sail this thing, so don't it? As the guys have found out, it's not easy having a sailboat. You have to know your shit, and so many things you have to remember.
Yeah, I don't know if I will remember everything tomorrow.
A little bit training.
I will remember all the fun that I have.
Yeah, that's
Amazing.
more important.
The most important.
Yeah, the fun.
The fun.
But yeah, go guys, get a photograph of that. Look, that's a beautiful view there, but I have a more of a beautiful view here. There's my baby on our big yacht. Hello, honey. Yeah, we're just... You still on your phone?
I know.
Stop texting and take a picture of the sunset, man.
I already took like 10 pictures of the sunset.
Great, we're back. And we're going to open a bottle of brute. Because I am a brute. We finished the beer and this is all we have left.
Champagne for tonight. We have a champagne by candlelight.
Yeah, normally we do it on sunset, but I was kind of like busy sailing the damn boat.
Well, you never ask
No.
Yeah, but
for a little help, you know?
No.
I ask when I need help, and you did good.
No, we just wanted to swim. We wanted to focus on swimming, and then come here. Like if you guys were like just like our tourists, you know, tour guys or whatever, or the ones that are coming on, you know, then it'd be like, let's have champagne on the boat.
Yeah.
But you know, you're a friend, so we figured champagne on our other boat.
But Felix said that he learned a lot with Darren.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
And I bet.
I show him some little things.
Look
but,
at that moon,
The
by the
anchor,
way.
you remember?
Look at that moon?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see if I can hit it. If I don't hit the moon, listen to see which boat I hit.
Okay.
Okay, let's see that. Let's see that.
Listo.
Just don't mind my gothic industrial tunes right now.
Right, ready?
Okay, here you go. Blow me away. Ah! Did it hit the moon?
Oh,
Shit! Woo-wee! Awesome! Great job, hun.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the gas to die down.
Taking the gas.
Good shit, man.
Oh, pretty great experience, huh? How did you like the boat experience out with us, sailboat?
Amazing.
Yeah?
You guys have probably done it all the time.
Awesome, man. It is. It
Take
just
my smile.
it changes your life.
Again,
And let me tell you the truth, you guys. I never, when I bought the boat, I test drove it, you know, with the owner. But that was the first time I've ever been on a sailboat before. I'm not kidding. Yeah, it was the first time I've ever been on a sailboat. I just said I want that sailboat, and I want it, and I'm gonna learn on the way. And that's just how I am. And everyone like, that's just too big. You don't know how to do anything.
Yeah,
You know.
that was weird. I mean, take it from me, to be an entrepreneur, they take risks and learn how to do shit on the way. They say yes to opportunities because opportunities are always good. Some are good, some are bad. If you take an opportunity, it doesn't work for you, fine, move to the next one. But when you take an opportunity and it works, stick with it. Learn that shit on the way, because when we bought the sailboat, I didn't know shit on how to sail.
I still don't know. I'm learning.
We learning on the
myself.
way.
Yeah.
I found a good captain that teaches me things. Gracias, Capitan Fantasma.
Yay! So if you guys want a sailboat, you can have it. It's not as hard as I thought. I thought it was only belongs to rich people. No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Normal people like us, man. We're all normal Joes here.
Yeah, exactly. Hold on. Right, I've got to finish pouring this shit.
Ooh, beautiful.
Salute!
Salud.
Salud.
Cheers. Friendship.
Friendship always. Always.
This is how you roll on a yacht.
Yeah.
What are you doing this weekend?
Definitely. Maybe they'll spin some tunes tonight.